All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. I decided to go ahead and make this video. I had some Kava coins and I saw this little ad pop up about persistence. Got the chance to earn $250,000 worth of XPRT tokens. So Kava campaign is live and it's asking, okay, you can participate now. Well, first off, if you guys are new to the channel, what we do is we talk about cryptocurrencies and different projects and different things coming up. This is not financial advice. This is just what I see coming up and what projects I look at. So first, we're going to go on to persistence.1/StakeDrop. So they just had the Cosmos one. We are going to enter into the Kava one because this is going on right now. So I'm going to start with first clicking on Kava. So I've already downloaded the Kepler wallet. You can see my current Kava balance is 400. So I'm going to select stake. So it's going to open me up to stake some of my tokens. They do recommend using the, where is it? Delegate. Let's hit delegate. See, it allows you to choose these different wallets. There's one section. Here it is. So here's the tutorial. In the tutorial that they have on the persistence, this is the one they recommend going to. It's audit one. So if you look down here, it's this one right here. So pick the audit one. So choose validator and delegate. We suggest you do your due diligence. Yeah, as always, do your due diligence. I'm going to use the audit one. So I don't know why people use Binance. It says it's 100% commission, but basically what that means is any reward you get, Binance gets all of it. So don't participate in that unless you want to just give them your money. So we're going to do the audit one. We're going to delegate here. Wait for it to load. So I'm going to do my whole balance. So let's do 39998. And we'll hit delegate. So I guess you can't copy and paste. So we'll pull this down so you guys can see it. Well, I guess you guys can't see it. So the memo is optional. We aren't going to put a memo because we really don't need to put a memo. Just in case, just to be on the safe side, what we'll put is the Kepler wallet address, just in case they send anything. So we're going to hit delegate again. Now we're going to put request rejected. Don't know why. So let's try to, okay, it's going to play that game. We're not going to mess with that. So we're going to say, we're going to do the average set fee. Well, they can do a low one, 0.0025. We'll just do average because we're doing a video and you guys got to wait and watch. So I'm going to delegate so-and-so. This is the memo. This is my return address just in case. The fee is going to be this, so less than a penny, so 0.00625. And approve. Transaction is pending. Wait a second. We'll just wait. Insufficient funds. What did I do wrong? See what I did. I may have not left enough balance. So let's try this again. Yeah, you got to make sure you do the right balance. I guess there's insufficient funds now. So let's delegate 399 point. Let's just do 399 just so we have a Kava balance, just so we have no issue with this time. Average, we're going to select fee, memo, do this memo, and we'll approve. See, that's why we do these videos, to learn stuff. So this talks about the steps to participate in the Kava StakeDrop campaign, identical to Cosmos. I recommend watching this video. It's about a 5-minute video. It helps. So congratulations, transaction was succeeded. So now we'll go back to our Kepler dashboard. So now we can see Kava staking rewards 6.84 per year. So you can see I'm already earning rewards. So I currently have a pending reward of 0.000004, and we'll just let it. Well, let's see what happens when we refresh. It should go up. Let's see, 0.0000. 13. Okay, so yeah, you guys see how it works. I've already, well, I hadn't recouped it yet, but when I was being cheap, I guess I lost some. So you guys learned from this video, you learned from my mistakes. So now this is the important part. So this is where it talks about choose a validator and delegate. So we already did that. Great. Insert delegation amount. Awesome. We already did that. Insert memo, optional for delegation. We don't need to do that. Well, I did it anyways, just in case, because it says it in the bottom. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Select transaction fee. We did the middle one. Confirm your transaction. You have now staked your Kava coins. Now, to earn XRPT or PRT rewards as well during the stake drop, please follow the steps below. So now send a magic transaction. To earn XRPT tokens, you need to send a small transaction of 0.001 Kava to that will be provided on our website prior to the page on. So click send at the bottom right hand corner of your screen. We'll actually play the video so you guys can see this. Just make sure we don't make that mistake again, sending it to the wrong one.
To perform the magic transaction, select send in your wallet. You'll need to send it to the address designated for the magic transactions by persistence. Sorry, but any other addresses do not have that magic touch. You can also return X amount in your wallet. It should be okay, you'll just have to wait until you have a validator if you wish. Magic transaction of 0.001 Kava and the transaction fee. If you stake the max amount in your wallet, it should be okay, you'll just have to wait until you have enough staking rewards to perform the magic transaction, which shouldn't take long. You can also return after you've sent the magic transaction and stake any remaining Kava to the StakeDrop if you wish. Of course, you can also compound your Kava rewards as often as you'd like. Once you're staking your Kava, you're ready to perform the magic transaction.
Okay,
select
so I'm
send
staking
in
it.
your wallet.
So now I'm going to send.
You'll need to send it to the address designated for the magic transactions by persistence. Sorry, but any other addresses do not have that magic touch. You can find the designated recipient address to send your Kava to at persistence.1.
Okay, so good thing we didn't send it all. So
just
we
scroll
still
down
have
to where it says participate in the Kava field. It will look like it does here now.
Okay, so we're going to send the magic transaction. So if we go here, let's refresh, see what our rewards are looking like. Okay, so you guys can kind of see how the rewards are going. Okay, so now we have 0.0001. Need 900 more basically to get that racked up. So we're going to go under, where's my wallet? Okay, you guys can't see it here because this shows the staked ones. So instead, what we're going to do is send from our Kepler wallet. And available I have 0.98 pending staking rewards, so you can claim those later. But we're going to send the 0.0001 they were talking about. So we need to go to the Kava StakeDrop, which is here. So we're going to send the magic transaction. I've already read the terms and conditions. So we're going to do the Kepler wallet to this recipient. And we got to copy our main address. So, okay, so now that we've done this or delegated, now we need to send the magic transaction. We're going to copy this address. We're going to go to the Keeper wallet. This is the wallet we currently have, or I currently have. I'm going to hit Keeper wallet. I'm going to send, and it's going to be 0.001 to this recipient address. I'm going to put my ERC20 address because that's what it says to do. Daggone it. I messed up. Alright, so let's try this again. Go to our Kepler wallet. Go to the extension. Go here. We're going to send 0.0 to the recipient. Now we're going to do 0.001. 0.001. Sorry, guys. And we're going to copy the Ethereum address, the memo, exact memo, and we're going to do the average, which is 0.002 Kava. Actually, we're just going to do a low one this time. And we're going to send it. We'll approve. And we just wait. Alright, so now that we got this, we're going to check our StakeDrop. So we're going to copy the address, enter the address, and boom. Okay, so this is when we got in on the block. We staked a total of 399, and our estimated rewards is 16.87. So if you estimate it on the bottom, it'll also tell you this. If you delegate to audit 1, 16, and okay, cool. All right, so we already sent the magic transaction, and now we wait. Yeah, so we got 12 days left. Oh, we joined kind of late. So if you guys are watching this video, hurry up and join. I'll go ahead and post this video as soon as possible, so you guys can check it out. If you guys want to see how we're looking so far in the Kepler wallet, see how it works. Staking. Now we got 0.006. That's, hey, it's free money, I guess, right? So yeah, if you guys like this video, smash that like button. If you dislike it, smash that dislike button. And if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification. Again, I want to reiterate this. Don't make this mistake. I put my Ethereum address this time. So don't put your Kava wallet address as the return address. It will mess up and it won't work. Make sure you put the right one in, which is your Ethereum address. Thanks for watching, guys.